These three strategies have their strengths and weaknesses in different locations, which is good. And, if you look at the M3, over time you'll do fine, but you will run through the cycles. Same thing with all the other trades and any other trades you can think of. So the M3 is a high probability low drawdown trading system that is designed to teach position management. The Bearish Butterfly is a high probability, high yield trade or trading strategy that teaches how to handle scaling in and out of positions, as well as high delta and high gamma positions. The Rock is designed to teach how to dynamically adapt to market conditions based on how the volatility skew situation is represented in the T+0 line profile, and how that is likely to shift when the price moves. So we're going to take these and we're going to combine. We're going to take these three high probability systems and we're going to utilize technical analysis procedures to determine the market environment we're in. We're going to learn to create a trading plan that's custom designed for the situation. Then we're going to add in some trading psychology to help you follow the plan. And then we also have a section on lessons on to help you make live trades as efficiently as possible. So their execution, how to use best execute trades.